Why you should be using the Instagram video function. Instagram video content has increasingly become very popular on social media recently, and thus it is of paramount advantage for anyone looking to market herself to make use of this function. This shift shows that more and more business, whether small or big, is starting to visually communicate with their followers, customers, and fans. The video function is one of the popularly known platforms that will enable one to leverage the power of marketing. With more than 150 million users, Instagram is the best sharing platform. It allows one to share not only photos but also short videos. There are millions and millions of videos shared daily, which is a great reason why one should utilize this platform. Below are some of the main advantages of using this function. Increased engagement. Unlike video posts on Twitter or Facebook that are sometimes overlooked by users regardless of their quality, Instagram videos are rarely missed. According to a study done by Forrester, Instagram videos generate more engagement 58 times more than Facebook and 120 times than Twitter. Having an Instagram account with interesting and useful content can earn one with crazy levels of engagement with the audience. Building personality and trust. Since more content is becoming popular, one of the key benefits of using the video function is that it helps one build trust. People buy from people they can trust, and Instagram video feature will help you create that emotional connection with your audience. The significant thing here is that this function allows one to share their day-to-day experience in a casual and informal way, giving followers, fans, and customers a feel for one's business. Sharing behind-the-scene activities has been noted to rank well on Instagram, particularly if it is a service provider. Such videos make one's company more trustworthy and attractive, which in turn positively affects one's marketing. Increase in traffic. Even though one cannot add clickable links to the videos, they still are a dominant source of traffic. Moreover, with the levels of engagement being higher than Twitter and Facebook, using the video function can be tremendously useful for your site's visibility. Gaining a competitive edge. Competition on Instagram is still far less than in Twitter or Facebook. The American Express survey reported that nearly 2% of small business are currently embracing the Instagram video function, and they have gained an advantage over their competitors. Thus is clear that by using the video function, one is likely to reach their target audience faster and easier. Free advertising. Yes, that is correct. The great thing about using Instagram video function is free publicity. One can showcase their services and products in action, generating large exposure. The feature gives one an opportunity to show off what they are offering. Embrace the video function and be rewarded. Want to learn how to earn money while you build followers on autopilot? Click the link below this video.